Elvis a drive deep to left field into the corner. If it's fair, it is off the top of the wall. Odor being waved around third. And Correa can't handle the relay throw. Odor scores. Elvis Andrus an RBI double. It is 5-2 Texas.
Boy, Elvis, you talk about turning on an inside pitch.
Elvis, yeah, he was pretty sure it was out.
Elvis might take some heat for that. Now, you know what? Double and an RBI, you can't take any heat for that. He was going to get a double anyway.
0-2 the count to Nicholas, who has walked and grounded out. A little looper behind first. It's a fair ball, and Elvis will score from second base. Nicholas going for 2. He's in with a slide. 6-2 Rangers. Brett Nicholas, the RBI double.
Fields got that one inside, and Brett just lifted it right over the first baseman's head. Softly for an RBI double. All it takes. Brett had a walk, and now he's got a double and an RBI to go along with it. Elvis is talking. Elvis is talking about his home run trot.
Yeah.
He wouldn't even shake his hand.
Elvis trying to explain himself. Adrian's not buying it.
Yeah, there were no smiles in that conversation. No. Looked like the skipper might have chimed in on it too.
Might have. Yeah. I agreed, Adrian. He said not even close. Talking about that. It was 6 inches from the top of the wall, but that's not even close.
But when you're hitting 30 home runs, you can go into your try.
That's right.
But get double digits first. Now they're smiling. Good. I was getting worried there for a second.
Cologne looking for his first hit of the year. He drives one. Deep left field. That goes Upton. Back near the wall. It's out of here. Bartolo has done it. The impossible has happened. The team vacates the dugout as Bartolo takes the long trot, his first career home run. And there will be nobody in the dugout to greet him. This is one of the great moments in the history of baseball. Bartolo Colon has gone deep.
I want to say that was one of the longest home run trots I've ever seen, but I think that's how fast he runs.
And now they'll flood up the tunnel and give him his just due. His 226th career at bat. You knew if he ever made contact in just the right way, he was strong enough to do it. And now Bartolo has brought down the house.
Well, boys will be boys. A hot foot has been scheduled. Whose shoe was that? Oh, that's Scott Van Slyke. Okay. Little does he know. Remember, he got kicked out the other night for arguing about third strike call. We shall await further developments. We will see. Adrian's cooling off. Oh, maybe they tried to light it and he was trying to fan it. Oh. Oh, look out here. Nada. The whole bench is waiting. 6-0 in favor of the Dodgers. The big dramatic moment is, what about the hot foot for Scott Van Slyke? Well, Adrian certainly set it on fire. It took a while before Scotty reacted, and the first thing he does, something smells wrong in here. What is it that smells? Is anything wrong with my hat? There's something rotten in Denmark. What? Maybe it's my hat. No? Ah, now we found it. So needless to say, the Dodgers are playing pranks. They are not only leading 6-0, they're well aware the fact as the bench breaks up that the Giants are losing at least 3-0. And one of the favorite whipping boys, Scott Van Slyke, got the hot foot.
David taken all the way as he steps out of the box and takes a strike. He flipped the bat. But a strike call will make it 3-1.
Well, the weirdness goes on, doesn't it? I mean, Don, we got to get out of this ballpark somehow. This is crazy tonight.
Ortiz ends up striking out. Second out of the 7th inning. He'll say some stuff on the way by, and he'll show Timmons where that pitch was.
Yeah. He's lucky he's still in the game. A lot of times you show up an umpire like that, and you know you're ejected from the game immediately. But Ortiz giving him that high sign on the 3-0 pitch.
Now somebody's gone.
Somebody's gone.
It's Big Papi. And he is coming out to say some more. He'll be blocked on his attempt to come out to say some more. They're really trying to calm him down. Wow. I don't think that phone's going to work anymore. It's like you didn't get somebody by mistake with those cuts.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Phone still works, which is good news.
Yeah, your phone wouldn't work. My phone wouldn't work, but that thing still works.
Well, the pranksters are out. C.C. Lee has been duped. The cup secured to the top of his hat with bubble gum, and he doesn't even know.
Well, yeah, just look at the guy next to him, and he'll tell you he's laughing.
Well, Katie's going to give it away because she's laughing, and he's looking right at her. She can't even keep a straight face.
I'm being serious, Katie.
CC's looking around like, why is everyone laughing at me?
What are you doing?
Guys, I'm not saying anything. I know what
You're
has
giving
happened.
it away.
But, I mean, he really does have no clue. And
Well, he will if he just looks at you.
I know. I believe Mark Zipczynski is the culprit.
Yeah.
He's now hiding because we're not supposed to say anything. But Gum has attached that to his head.
Well, that's a good sign. I mean, hey, it was a tough, brutal weekend for the ball club. They went in with high hopes. Tigers took all 3. Got to bounce back, though. I mean, there's still 2 weeks of baseball left to go. Anything can happen.
Greg Gibson, the home plate umpire, motioning to both players. And the Dodgers celebrating in their dugout.
That's into the right field corner. Robinson, nice catch for out number 1.
Well, I am a wizard from the future. Boom. I'm a real doctor.
You had your walk-up music created. Who would compose it and or sing it, and what kind of music would it be?
You know what? That's a good question.
So they could keep Mahomes, go to 12 pitches, drop a position player, or maybe Mahomes would be the pitcher to go down. Runner going, they pitch out, Piazza's throw, not handled. And it's a stolen base, number 21 for Shannon Stewart.
Wait a minute now. Uh-oh. What happened here? Did he make contact with the glove? Oh, a catcher's, no, not a catcher's block.
Grebeck awarded first base.
Interference?
I think Bobby Valentine might be arguing that in an attempt to protect the base runner, Stewart stepped across home plate.
Let's see if he crossed up. You can make contact. We'll take a look again. Piazza goes out for the pitch out.
I don't even see Grebeck
I
in
know
the
it.
equation.
I don't know what they called right there. I have no idea what they called. Piazza way out in front.
maybe they're saying he's too far out in front, and Grebeck didn't have an opportunity to even throw the bat at the ball. Now, I'll tell you what, if Grebeck throws the bat at the ball, he hits Piazza. And a lot of times on a pitch out, a hitter will throw the bat at the ball.
I think from that angle, that was the call, that Piazza got out too quickly.
Couldn't do it.
And now Ricky leads off the bottom of the 13th against Graham Lloyd and takes a strike. So it'll be Henderson, Alfonso. And remember now, the pitcher is in the third slot with John Olerud having been replaced as part of a double switch.
Bobby Valentine, the dugout.
Wait. Give me that. Well, Bobby was thrown out on that catcher's interference call, and he's gone incognito. Sorry, Skip, we got you.
Top of the fourth inning here at Target Field this afternoon. Tigers have a 4-0 lead in this one. Now what's going on in the dugout? Some hijinks. Don Kelly's foot is on fire.
Where's Bert Blyleven at?
Oh my goodness, he still doesn't know.
That's terrible.
Hey, by the way, Don, your foot's on fire. Oh my goodness. Now that's beautiful. Yeah, you're right. That's something Bert Blyleven certainly would have and has done many times in his career. I don't know, was it Verlander?
He got that look.
Happy to report everyone is okay.